WhatsApp two apps, which is WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp and Kasa. In fact, it's two mobile numbers, which is MTN and Vodafone. What connected to ni nyina baako for WhatsApp Business and baako nso for WhatsApp and Kasa. Airtel and I say any other number bia unya yanka besan connect ama WhatsApp biom. But he said because of say two apps ni nyina occupied no enya ade a ubenya access. And then me ba be cho kwan obefa so a ubetimi add wo sa number no and I say any other number bia to WhatsApp app no. Your friend me pies. But more than also be subscribe to this channel. Now wa click on the like button no say video yi we ni je ho a. Okay, nti ye sha se no obekọ settings. Now wa scroll akọ down, obehu advanced features. Obesa scroll akọ down, no click on dual messenger. Enti obehu WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram. Enti apps here wa ha nyina no, obesa install ne biom ebe create copy akọ o home screen no ama. Enti me start with WhatsApp. We click on Facebook also. Now click on install. Same for Telegram. Okay, so see I install here we enti you go back to home screen. Into ohwe ha say apps na me install here no WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram. Now no near Android I say a clone these apps no and I want install amount. It will bet me connect o extra number no and I say wo number na opese won connect to WhatsApp no. Clone once no and I be hu I say orange color bi wo ho no. So wo connect o number no ema o WhatsApp na enya ade a ebe merge with o original WhatsApp na o na nkasa no original app no ebe keep no as a two separate accounts. Ubeko so receive o normal message ewo WhatsApp na nkasa so na new one way na ube connecting so ube send receive message wo so as a separate account. Enti now no meko so na ma add my Vodafone number. Okay, enti me ma menka wo say normal WhatsApp procedure no. To say bia o connect o number for WhatsApp procedure be fast no the same app. The only thing is a clone a create copy and a amount. We click on agree and continue. Now if you want add o number no. Into be enter code na WhatsApp ebe send the amount no. You click on continue. Ebi a number ya wa connect sisi ano. Wa connect to WhatsApp da. Na wa ye backup opese won restore data and back. You can go ahead. Until you be enter odin a opese won use. Now obetimi akoso na we use WhatsApp two account. Nti ubetimi akoso na why the same for Facebook and Telegram. Me dan say unya amrehwe. But more than so be subscribe to this channel na wa click on the like button no. Wo comment bi nso ampacho ubetimi apase e wa ase ho no. Me dan say